Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Star Flames. So guys, in this video we're going to talk about Snoop Dogg tying up all his loose ends before his indictment. That's what I believe he's doing. If you guys haven't seen my other videos on Snoop, I want to encourage you all to check it out because Sloan Billa told us that Snoop is going down. They're going to go for Snoop. He's going to go down as well. She told us that a lot of people in the industry are going down, but she specifically mentioned Snoop on more than one occasion, right? So, Snoop is here basically filing petition for his murder trial to be sealed. In case you're not aware, he filed a petition back in January. You guys might be saying, how is this connected to an indictment and what is going on? Well, in case you're not aware, in January, Sean Diddy Combs was notified of his indictment. The same time, Jay-Z had filed a petition, for gangster rap lyrics to not be used in trial. Remember, the YSL gang, they are on trial. Their rap lyrics was being used to help convict them. Jay-Z and several others moved in to file a petition against that. It was granted. So, these artists, they won't be tried on the lyrical content of their music. Now, in January as well, Snoop Dogg filed a petition for the 1996 trial that he was on for taking out, the former gang member. He filed a petition for that document to be sealed so that if he's job hunting, they can't look up his file. If he's buying a house, they can't look it up, But I'm saying it's out in the media, so does it even make sense, right? No, actually, this case, they had a lot of leads against Snoop Dogg. He actually thought that he was going to go down. He was surprised when he learned that, he got off the case. He was very surprised. And then he turned to music. He really made a change, but irrespective of that, he's involved in other things, allegedly. Sloan Billa has been calling out Snoop's name for the past couple of months. She spoke about him being involved in several other rappers passing, and it is all politically affiliated. So basically, these rappers are taking money from politicians and they're doing the work on these politicians, ordering them to, take out Tupac, because that is what she told us happened with Tupac. That's what happened with Biggie. And that's what happened with Nipseyhussle. And the list goes on. So we're going to get into the report now so you have an understanding of, this petition that Snoop Dogg had filed and his criminal record, where it started, right? Now, the report says Snoop Dogg's petition to seal his 1993 murder charge has been granted 28 years after he was acquitted of shooting a gang member, right? The rapper, now 52, and his bodyguard, McKinley Lee, were accused of Pew Pew, a gang member called Philip Walder Mariam, in 1993 at Palms Woodbine Park in Los Angeles in August of 1993. And went on trial facing first and second degree murder charges in 1996. The release of Snoop Dogg's first album came shortly after his highly publicized trial, and he was cleared of that case, right? Now, we're gonna go in a little bit about where Snoop Dogg's problem all started, before he was a rapper. It started as early as him leaving high school. So that would be in 1989. So guys, in 1989, Snoop Dogg was arrested immediately after graduating from high school for trying to sell cocaine to an undercover police officer. He was in and out of prison for drugs and gun offenses over the next few years, and it was during one of his spells behind bars that a fellow member of the Crips encouraged him to become a professional rapper, and the move has paid off. He became a rapper and he did amazingly well in the music industry. However, in 1993, he was charged with being an accessory in the fatal shooting of a member of a rival gang who allegedly been deleted by one of the star's bodyguard. Prosecutors said Snoop had been driving the car from which the gun was fired. Despite the charge, he was controversially allowed to tour Britain. A tabloid headline reacted by proclaiming, "Kick this evil bee out." Snoop subsequently and extraordinarily claimed that the late Queen personally intervened over moves to keep him out of Britain. Yeah, the Queen is going to intervene because she's like them, you know. She's the headmaster of corruption. So, I mean, she's going to intervene. So they're saying that Snoop, then 24, was seen looking shocked and clasping his hands in prayer when he and his bodyguard were acquitted. Jurors also acquitted the pair on one charge each of conspiracy to commit assault in connection with Wilder Merriam's death. That's the name of the guy that was taken out, according to them. Now, says Snoop, who had remained free on $1 million bail alongside Lee, told the LA Times after the acquittal, they made the right decision. You know what? So guys, we're gonna leave that at that for Mr. Snoop Doggy. I don't think what he did is gonna help him in any means, way, shape, or form. Like, who is Snoop working for? He had his thing with Martha Stewart. I don't know if that is still going on. He has his children program on YouTube. Snoop is pretty much self-employed besides for, contractual agreement and all of that, but he's pretty much self-employed. So I honestly think that what Snoop is doing, he's anticipating the possible indictment, and as such, he ensured that he submitted the petition for his criminal record to be sealed so that in case he gets indicted, the internet does not go back to dig up his past, because he cannot stop the court from, going back to that file. But as for us who loves to lurk in the bushes and look at people's criminal record online, he's definitely hiding that from us. So I honestly believe that Snoop knows the storm is coming. The only difference is that the weatherman cannot give him the exact time, because we know how the law enforcement team works. They come for you whenever they're ready, or chances are they might just notify his legal team that, hey, we have an indictment for your buddy here. So expect us any day now. But guys, that's all I have to share in this video with you all. It's your time to chime in. You have something to say, so go ahead and say it. Let's get the discussion popping. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, share if you care, stay safe, stay out of trouble. It's not gonna pay, okay? Stay blessed and see you guys later. Bye guys.